Good morning, I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe on the go.
So Jen, what are we doing in this one?
We are going to talk about our 5 favorite things about staying at the Old Key West Resort.
So this is a new resort for us, and this is the first time we've stayed. Really enjoy it. We've been
really enjoy it.
Been here many times before because we've eaten at Olivia's many times, but we thought since we stayed here, let's do our 5 favorite things. So, go ahead.
So the very first thing is we just love the overall architecture of the resort, how it's all Key West styled and very Florida-ish and tropical. Just love it. And our building that we stayed in is right behind us.
Yes.
Number 28.
Let's take a look. So if you look at the different style, or the style of it, it just has a very distinct, different look. You know, Disney is really good at creating a style at each one of their resorts to kind of go along with what they are trying to depict and convey. And here you have a lot of really great trees, palm trees. You have the old style of balconies, the color scheme,
all the pastels,
the way even the light posts are designed. Really very cool. So this is definitely one of the things that we really like about this resort, just the look and style and feel of it. And this was our building for the night.
The second thing we love about staying at the Old Key West Resort is the Gurgling Suitcase. We had a drink here last night, and we will insert that link in the description below.
Yeah, so there you see it right behind us. I'm trying to get the sign in the shot, but it is just a little
tiny to-go bar.
Yeah, it's just right over here. I'll show you the inside of it really quick. But, you know, I mean, it's just a nice little extra something that you have here that you can sit here by the water. They have picnic tables set up. All of them are occupied currently, so I can't show you all of it. But we're right here in front of the water, so I can show you that. But here's the Gurgling Suitcase. And here's a little table set up where you can sit, or they have some picnic tables with umbrellas. And the nice thing is that when you sit and enjoy your beverage, you have a really lovely view. So relaxing.
The third thing that we love about the Key West Resort is all the recreational activities. You can rent Surrey bikes and regular bikes. They have ping pong and foosball, and the pool is amazing. And they have tennis courts. Not every resort has tennis courts. That's true.
So they actually have tennis here as well. So it's kind of cool. The area itself is compact. It's not as large. So to do all of these things, it's all right here in this.
At the Hospitality Center.
Yeah, at the Hospitality Center. But we'd call this kind of like the walkway, the boardwalk.
Yeah.
You know, just the area here that's right by the pool. Adjacent to the pool, you have the Gurgling Suitcase and all these other recreational things that you can do. Including, there's the exercise room. And there's also a community hall, the Conch Flats Community Hall,
where you can rent DVDs and all kinds of things.
So they do
games.
They do cater this to a more extended stay. Since it's a DVC, they expect people to stay here for an entire week. So they give you a lot of things to do.
Yeah, they do.
That's kind of cool. So we're currently in the community hall, and this is where you can rent all sorts of different things, including the tennis rackets for tennis, the shuffleboard poles for shuffleboard, and Jen and I are going to rent the Surrey bikes, or a bike, and we're going to tool around the resort here for a little bit, just to kind of get a feel for it. But in the community hall itself, you've got this really cool mural in the background. It's kind of neat.
So there's even a really huge sandbox and a playground for the kids. There's also a ton of hammocks and you can play volleyball.
Which is kind of cool. It's sand volleyball.
The fourth thing we love about the Old Key West Resort is eating at Olivia's. We've had breakfast, lunch, and dinner here, and to us, it's a hidden gem. We really like it. We've only had one bad experience here. It was a long time ago. Well, probably
No, it was the last time. It was September, I think. Didn't we eat here in September?
We did.
Yeah, so that was the disappointing time.
But we're giving it another shot.
Right, she has to redeem herself this time. So basically, but in the past we've always had really good experiences here.
We have.
So, and good food. So we're going to give it another go.
And you guys can come with us. So the fifth and final thing we love about Old Key West is just all the beautiful floral and landscaping. The grounds are really beautiful.
Yeah.
And if you get a chance to stop by the resort, walk around, take it all in. It's really beautiful. There's little ponds and tons of flowers and palm trees, and the landscaping is beautiful. And we're gonna show you one of our favorite fountains here too, in all of Disney property.
Yeah, so it is. It's really nice. I love just Florida itself has a certain style for the trees and the palm trees in particular, and they really recreated that here, which is kind of ironic because it's in Florida, but this is supposed to be more like Key West kind of Florida. But yeah, I love the way this resort looks. I really do. I love the landscaping.
Yeah. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because we're always taking you somewhere new. Sometimes it's new for us, sometimes it's new for you, but there's so many places to go.
I know, so keep tuning in. Thank you for watching. As always, do definitely appreciate it. This is a good one. I really like this resort.
Yeah, I do too. I'm glad we got to stay here.
Yeah, I would definitely stay here again. All right.
And who knows, maybe we will.
Maybe we will, I'm sure.
All right, guys.
Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.